Salvete Book 1 Simulant et nube cava speculantur lamitti, quae fortuna viris quassem colitore linquant, quid veniam, cuctis nam lecti nauvibus ibant, orante suiam et templum clamore petebant. They conceal themselves, and, having been shrouded by a hollow cloud, they look at what fortune there is for the men, on what shore they have left behind the fleet, and why they come. For, having been selected from all the ships, they were going, begging for mercy or begging for grace, and they were seeking the temple with a shout. This is Aeneas noticing his companions. Remember, Aeneas is shrouded in a hollow cloud up here. Aeneas and his best friend Achates. They're in a cloud together, hence the plural, amicti. And now these are all indirect questions. As you can see, I noted out here. Notice that these are present active subjunctives. Veniant, linquant. Think of the memory trick, we fear a liar. Whenever you're forming the present active subjunctive, you have the ia for fourth conjugation verb, forming it. We fear a liar, ia. And then over here, same rule applies, different formation. We fear a liar, third conjugation. And these are all questions, right? What fortune may be for the men, on what shore they leave behind the fleet, why they come. Quid literally translates to what, but so oftentimes you have to stretch it to make it be why they may come. Now here you have to imply a sit. Remember sim, sis, sit? That is the present active subjunctive of the verb sum, esse, est, you know? So it wouldn't be est, it's not indicative, it would be sit. What fortune there is for the men. As in indirect questions, you get the subjunctive. That's why all these verbs are subjunctive. Just wanted to reiterate that. For having been selected from all the ships, they were going, begging for a pardon, begging for mercy, begging for grace. Venia, veniae means mercy, grace, that sort of thing. And they were seeking the temple with a shout. I saw a note that said this is a circumstantial ablative because they're not really the ones shouting, it's the shouting happening around them. But you don't really need to know that sort of form of the ablative. Just they were seeking the temple with a shout. Just know that this is ablative here.